Hello, super writers. Our target skill for today is I can write my opinion about a topic and give reasons for my thinking. Let's go ahead and get started. Today, you are going to be forming an opinion about a topic and then telling me why. Reasons tell why you think or believe something. We're then going to support those reasons with examples. Examples support your reasons by giving evidence. The evidence tells us more about why you think or believe that way. So here is an opinion. I think Thursday is the best day of the week because it is the day that I eat dinner at my grandma's house. She always makes my favorite dish, tacos. Do you see my opinion? I see those words, I think, so I know I'm reading an opinion. Next is the reason why I think this way. I think Thursday is the best day of the week because it is the day that I eat dinner at my grandma's house. That is the reason why I think Thursday is the best day of the week. She always makes my favorite dish, tacos, is an example of me eating dinner. It's an example of why I feel and think this way. This week, boys and girls, you are going to form an opinion, come up with reasons, and support those reasons with examples about our story, The Dot. My question for you is, do you think our main character Vashti is a good artist? Why do you think that way? Support your reasons with examples. Here are some examples of Vashti's art in our text. As we write this week, use the text to help support your reasons. Your job today is to plan your sentences. Do you think Vashti is a good artist? You're going to begin by stating your opinion. You can use the words I think or I believe. Then tell me 2 reasons why you believe that way. Then give me an example from the text. Support your reason with text evidence. And lastly, plan a closing sentence. The closing sentence restates your opinion. I can't wait to read your sentences. Good luck, super writers!